Hello, today I'll be presenting about the standard form of quadratic function. Okay, understanding the standard form of a quadratic function. Quadratic function under standard form, which is fx equal ax squared plus bx plus c, is a useful form for analyzing and graphing quadratic equations. Okay, what is the standard form? The standard form of a quadratic function is written as this, where the a and b and c are constants. And remember, if a equals 0, then it's not a quadratic function. Okay, here are the three parts of the standard form, a, b, and c. The value of a affects the parabola's width and direction, b affects its horizontal position, and c shifts the graph vertically. Okay, the graph of the quadratic function is a parabola. If a is more than 0, then the parabola opens upwards, and if 0 is more than a, then it opens downwards. The vertex is the highest or lowest point in the graph. Okay. To find the vertex, we have to use this formula, which is x equal negative b over 2 times a. Plug this x value into the function to get the y coordinates of the vertex. Okay, let's try an example. The function fx equal 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. First, we find the x coordinates of the vertex using x equal negative 4 over 2 times 2, because you have to multiply it. Now substitute x equal 1 into the function to find the y coordinates. Okay. Now these two are practice questions that we're going to finish. Okay, so first, what's it called? Let's find the vertex of the function. Let's find the vertex of the function. Fx equal 3x squared minus x plus 2. We use the formula to find the x coordinates of the vertex. Okay, so this is the formula which we're going to use, and here you got to put a equal 3 and b equal negative 6. So when you plug it in from this formula, you get this, and you get 1. So x equal 1. And you got to do then now that we know that x equal 1, we substitute it back into the equation to find the y coordinates, and you put the x back into the equation, and you get negative 1, and so you get 1 negative 1. Okay, the second question, which is it's fx equal negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. Again, we use the formula for the x coordinates of the vector vertex. For this function, a equal negative 1 and b equal 4. Substituting these values in, you get this. Now we substitute x equal 2 back into the equation to find the y coordinates, which you'll get this, and so basically x equal 2 and the y equal 1. So okay, and by the way, since a equal 1, the parabola opens upwards. And that's it. Thank you for listening.